Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you love to enjoy the outdoors like I do, then you will love this beautiful picnic blanket from Willow Weave. This picnic blanket is so versatile and so awesome to have when we take our trips to the park or even just using it in our backyard. This is a really well-made picnic blanket too. The seams are very strong. I love that the top is a nice breathable linen and the bottom is made of an extremely durable and waterproof fabric. I'm sitting on wet grass right now and it is not seeping through whatsoever. I love that about this blanket. I love this design too with the leaves all over it. It just really gives it a natural look. This blanket is lightweight and so portable, which is what I love about it. It comes with a strap so it easily can be carried if you're taking it out on a trip to the park or just even having it in the back of our car. What I like about the strap is it is adjustable, so if you're like me and can never get something back the same size, the strap makes it so easy to be able to connect it back together again. This picnic blanket is an awesome size too. It fits my entire family comfortably on here, so whether we're enjoying a meal, playing a game, coloring, or some other activity, this is an awesome size for us. So if you want to enjoy the outdoors on a nice, comfy picnic blanket, whether you're eating lunch or just laying to relax, this picnic blanket from Willow Weave is your top choice. And that's just my point of view.